Africa Content TV.
Ambo! I honored and respect and recognize the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, represented here today by His Excellency, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My brother, the Senate President, I can say that is the Senate President of Africa, because our party is the most structured, the most progressive party in Africa. I honored distinguished Senator Godwin Akpabio. I thank you and I welcome you to Osun. I recognize the chairman of the party, the progressive, the party that is a restructured party, that is a re-engineered party, that is the best party, Professor Nathaniel. I recognize the governor, all the excellencies that are here today, all the governors that are here today, the chairman of Governors Forum. I greet and I respectively welcome you to Osun. All the leaders, I respect my father, Baba Akande, Baba Omo Kekeke. I greet the Honorable Minister of Marine and Blue Economy, Alhaji Gboyega Oyetola, the Senate President, Deputy Senate President, Deputy Speaker, and all our leaders that are here today. Today is our day. I respect and humbly recognize the women leaders that are here today. The youth leaders, I respect you, I honor you, I recognize you, I welcome you to Osun. I appreciate the coming of the National Working Committee. Let me go straight to the point. Our government, the government of APC, that is going to be elected by 15th of August 2026, is going to be the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. On your mandate, that we will stand and we will stand on your mandate. Mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé ìjọba tó ní àpọ́nlé tí ó máa tọ́jú yín dáadáa, àtobìnrin, àtọkùnrin, àtọmọdé, àtàgbà ní ìjọba Muyideen Bọ́lá Oyèbáméjì máa tọ́jú dáadáa. Kò síjó mọ́, iṣẹ́ ti yá. Governance is not about dancing. It is a serious business. It is not a theater. This is a serious business. And we are going to touch your life in various dimensions. So I have to tell you that I have a part with you. I have a mandate with you. And the mandate is to touch the life of our people in Osun. I thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We would like to welcome the President of the Senate, Federal Republic of Nigeria, representing the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We're welcoming His Excellency Senator Goodwill Obong Akpabio.
Senate President Godwin Akpabio.
APC.
APC. When I say A, P, and C, you say Asiwaju for Nigeria. A, P, and C, Asiwaju for Nigeria. A, P, and C, Asiwaju for Nigeria. Another one, when if I say A, P, and C, you say Ambo for Osun State. A, B, and C, Ambo for Osun State. A, B, and C, Ambo for Osun State. Our national chairman, Professor Nentawe Yildwada, the leaders of our great party. I start with the Deputy Senate President, the Deputy Speaker, my brothers, the governors, the APC Governors Forum Chairman, and Chairman of the campaigns for Osun, my brother, Governor Hope Uzodimma, and also recognize the Chairman of Nigerian Governors Forum and Governor of Kwara State and all other governors who are here. Maybe I should use the Governor of Ekiti State and the Governor of Lagos State. Of course, Ondo is also very close. They are all here. All the governors are here to come and welcome their incoming colleague. So let me, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, just say hello to the good people of Osun State. The president has asked me to come and to greet you. He said I should enjoin you to remain peaceful. And this one is my own word, not his own. So if you want to quote it right, the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, is saying that for the good people of Osun State and the APC in Osun State, note that if you are on a bush track and you are escorted by the lion, you cannot be afraid of goats. Did you hear what I said? I said if you are on a bush track and you are escorted by the lion, can you be afraid of goats? Can you be afraid of goats? The president is saying, please, that he has put in place enough security for the good people of Osun State in general to vote peacefully come Saturday, 15th day of August 2026. There is nobody is going to be harassed. And this is a pointer to the fact that he believes truly in democracy and democratic governance. This is a man who has spent 2/3 of his life fighting for democracy. Today, God has placed him as the leader of this nation and the president. And he is not ready to allow any group of people to molest democracy, to molest any citizen. So for the good people of Osun State, feel free to go out and exercise your franchise on Saturday. Feel free to go out and vote the candidate of your choice. Feel free to go out and then ensure that you vote the party of your choice. But my advice will be that choose wisely. Choose wisely. There is need for you to link Osun State with the center. There is need for you to link Osun State with what is happening in Nigeria. Over 30-something governors are already in the APC. We are waiting for Osun State. Are you ready to join? Are you ready to vote? Are you coming? Please don't feel intimidated. Social media is not the same thing as a polling unit. We are saying go to the polling unit, you will not be molested. Even if you are molested on the social media, I think you should ensure restraint. I know that in Osun State, the APC is dominant. I know that with people like Chief Bisi Akonde, the national leader of our party, and people like Oyetola, and the former governor and now Minister of Blue Economy, with people like Omishore, Senator Omishore, former National Secretary of the party, with people like Father Hansi and a lot of others. Father Hansi is one of the most important senators that we have in Nigeria. And Oyinola? Yes. Oyinola is part of us. Oh, by the way, I want to thank all the other political parties for endorsing Ambo, the APC candidate and his deputy for Saturday's election. And I saw when Oyinlola, the former governor of this state, led the PDP group to go and endorse him. And they are all part and parcel of those who are going to be here. So I want to assure you that we believe in peace. Professor Chris Imulore, am I right? Professor Chris Imulore, National Chairman of our core party and the National Working Committee of our core party. Oh, by the way, they have all endorsed Ambo. Did you know that? They have endorsed Ambo. Our core party, the National Working Committee, of our court, have accordingly endorsed Ambo. And
Ibo Saturday torí Ambo. Ibo Saturday torí Ambo.
so let me, on behalf of the president, wish you a very peaceful election on Saturday.